What if I told you this entire song was created using AI? No
Figures overnight. Nobody tweets all the bugs at 2 a.m. or the server catching fire on a Friday night. Another product hunt launch, another
music producer, no singer, no expensive software, just two AI tools. In this video, I will show you how to generate original music in just a few minutes. We will use ChatGPT to write the lyrics, then use Google's AI to turn those lyrics into complete song with vocals and music. So let's get started. So first step is all you need to do is just head over to ChatGPT, and here you need to describe the type of song you want. For example, I am pasting this. You can see, write an upbeat pop song about chasing your dreams, and we will just send this prompt. You can be specific as you want. You can mention your language or maybe artist style or even the instruments you want there. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate the complete lyrics, and now you can see this is the complete lyrics we got here. If you don't like the result, you can simply ask it to regenerate it, or maybe you can describe your style better. Now I will just copy this prompt. Now the second step is, all you're gonna need to do is just head over to gemini.google.com/overview/music generation. I will put link of this website in description box below. Basically it's a tool from Google where you can create music. Here you need to click on this try it out button and it will take you to another page. Now all you need to do here is you need to select the style. So you got a couple of styles here. You can see 90s rap, Latin pop, beat workout. Then we have many categories available to choose from. So I think we can choose 90s rap because this should fit with our lyrics better. So I will just choose this. But if you want to listen some of the example, you can listen it too. Let me show you the preview here.
I drop gems like a lyrical architect and seal word up. Got a mental Rolodex that only the realest connect with. This ain't
El dembow sube el calor, dame and all the
You're the melody.
私のハートが
I'm sick of pretending this.
준비된 climb.
Well, look who's here, standing.
Oh the
So these are all the examples here. So I will just paste the lyrics that ChatGPT created for us, and all we're gonna do is just click on this send button. If you want to change model, you can change from here. We have 3.5 flash, 3.1 flashlight, then we have 3.1 pro advanced maths and code. So I will just click on 3.5 flash here, and here we selected the music, and now I will just click on this send button. Now it will take some time to generate your song. Before we continue, if you ever wanted to build your own directory website, whether it's for local business, restaurant, job listing, real estate, software reviews, or even a classified ads platform, you should definitely check out Listum. It gives you everything in one WordPress plugin, including advanced search filter, maps, front-end submissions, monetization, bookings, and over 80 plus customization listing layouts. Plus you can start for free and upgrade later as your project grows. I have left link in the description box below so you can check it out if you're planning to build a directory website. So now let's get back to the video and see the result. We'll just go back to here, and I think our song is now created. We can download it from here, or we can share the track and we can mute it from here, and we can see the subtitle. So I will just play the song for you. You can listen to this.
Yeah, word up. Packed my hopes in a worn out bag. Left my doubts on a different track. Every sunrise calls my name. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same. We're chasing the skyline higher than the stars. Nothing's gonna stop us no matter where we are. Hands up to the blue, hearts beating loud. Dreaming without limits, standing proud. We'll never stop chasing the sky. Chasing the sky. Word.
If you're happy with the track, you have the download button. Just click on this, and if you want to download MP3 track, you can download the MP3 track, and if you want to download audio with the cover art, you can just click on this button. So I will just go with MP3 track, and now you can see it says downloading track, and our track is now downloaded, you can see. And that's how easy it is to create AI generated music. If you enjoyed this tutorial or you want me to create AI music videos too, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. I will meet you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.